today I'm here in Dubai. I am going to celebrate my New Year here in Dubai. So I'm gonna show you the hotel. I'm here at Al Seef Heritage Hotel. It's like a vintage hotel and it's so nice. Look at that stuff. So it's like an old place. So let's go inside the room. Our room is 601. So this is my card. I'm going to open the room. And then that's right. Look at the room. Let's close the door. It's so beautiful. It's really like an old place. Look at that. Parang nasa ano ako. Para siyang yung sa movie ba? Movie na old place. I can't explain it, but it's like a vintage place. So this is the television and the table. And they have this old, I think it's a radio. They have lamp and mirror. The mirror is like this. And then they have photos and they have two beds. Actually, si Rob's, my close friend, she got this hotel from their company. Binigyan sila ng voucher ng company and then she booked the hotel. And it was a surprise because I didn't expect that I will have a day off. It's so beautiful. This is the side table with the alarm clock and the telephone. So I'm gonna show you the bathroom. This is the bathroom. You know, you can see the doors. This is from the old generation. It's so unique. But this place really, when I arrived, pagdating ko, as in lahat talaga, parang nasa sinaunang panahon. So this is the bathroom. It's so cute. Look at that. Ito yung shower. Uy, as in, cute. Ang liit ng space, but then it's really unique. Very unique. They have this old mirror, malaking mirror. Tapos meron silang blower na nilagay sa old cage. Ang ganda. So they have this, they have weighing scale and the bowl and the trash can. Ang cute. And they have bathrobes and here. Bathrobes and slippers. So, gamitin namin yan mamaya. So, we will celebrate our New Year here. Uy, ang ganda. Taka, tingnan ko muna yung timbang ko. Pero this is not the accurate. Hindi yung accurate timbang ko kasi ang laki ng shoes ko. So, I am 49 kilograms. So, ayan, nandito na ako sa hotel. Actually, this hotel is part of the Hilton Hotel. And it's really a nice, beautiful place. It's a vintage. And it's very unique. So, maghihintay na lang ako kay Robs at saka kay Jeline. Because they will, you know, we will celebrate New Year together later. But, yeah, I'm hungry. Gutom na si ako. Last kain ko this morning. So, yeah, I think we'll eat together. Robs is almost done with her work. And then Jeline, she already went out, I think, around 3. So, she's preparing now. Hopefully, yeah. See you later.
Yeah.